Hello class, this is teacher Ronald and we are going we are going to continue with our theme, and the theme is data and probability. The topic is still the same: data collection and presentation. Our competence is still also the same: the learner collects and present different sorts of data. Today our focus is going to be on the second learning outcome, which is collecting, presenting simple data from the local environment using tally chart, bar chart, pie chart, and line graph. We have different types of presentation, different types of data presentation. We have pie chart, and that's how a pie chart looks like. I think you have ever seen that at your primary level. Then we have also a tally chart which looks like that. Uh, we also have a bar chart which looks like that. Those bars are disjoint bars. That's what you call a bar chart. And we also have a line graph which looks like that. That's how a line graph looks like. Uh, we are going to begin with this scenario. And our focus today is going to be on pie chart. We are going to see how we can construct a pie chart, because after collecting data we must present it, and we have different forms of presentation which we have discovered in our previous slides. And today our focus is going to be on a pie chart, and we have this scenario. The scenario says that Mr. Musa P spends his income on the following items. Item 1, we have food, wages, travel, and others, and that's the respective amount. And the task, it's about representing Mr. Musa's expenditure on a pie chart. And all of you can recall what a pie chart looks like. A pie chart, one, it is in the form of a circle, and the angle sum of the angle sum of a circle is 360 degrees. Therefore, we need to change these forms of amount which are given to us: the 35,000, the 12,000, the 10,000, and the 15,000 in form of degrees. But to do that, we need to first get the total amount spent on all the items, and that is the addition. When we add the amount, we get 72,000. Then we start the calculation. The calculation, uh, this is the calculation. We get this amount which is spent on food, which is 35,000, divided by the total amount, then times 360 degrees. This is the angle sum of the sample, which is 360 degrees, and the answer which we get when we place into a calculator is 175 degrees. Therefore, we are going to do this on each item. Also, we do it also the same on wages. We get the amount spent on wages divided by the total, then we get the 60 degrees. We continue on travel. 10,000 divided by 72,000 times 60 degrees, which allow 50 degrees. We also continue on others, which is 15,000 divided by 72,000 times 60 degrees, which is 75 degrees. That's the working. And we are going to have a summary of what we have calculated, and that summary will look like this. This is the summary. Now, after getting these angles, we need to add them. we need to add these angles. The all of these we need to add them to see whether we get the angle sum of a sum, which is 360 degrees. When we obtain that, it means that our angles are correct. Then we continue to our pie chart. And we know that the instrument which we use to draw our pie chart, one, we must have a protractor with us, we must have a compass and a pencil. Therefore, and we shall have, we can use even different forms of Microsoft software, like as in we can draw this pie chart using ICT components for the presentation, and it will look like that. Therefore, after doing that, we are going to have this simple assignment with us, which you're going to carry out. And the assignment looks like that, measure the length in centimeter of the foot of any 5 members in your group and record your findings. Represent your findings on a pie chart. That's the assignment which you're going to do in order to perfect what we have been what what we have covered in the previous slides. And that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for attending. May God bless you.